Hello everyone. My name is Gaurav Sastokar. I am going explaining finance department solution of our company airway delivery courier services using drone. My team name is Earth. Our company tagline we give you wings to your package. The key areas where most of the budget amount has been spent. First is a digital marketing. In digital marketing we have to plan Instagram through Facebook, Facebook website marketing. Second is the promotional material for the digital marketing and door to door marketing. Third is a company website. In the company website, we need website development, domain and server hosting, web designer salaries, and fourth is app development. In the app development cost, Google development subscription, iOS app development cost, and also iOS app library subscription cost, app developer salary, designer salary, maintenance for the app. Fifth is a drone operation. In the drone operation, drone charges, software cost of charges, drone maintenance cost, qualified drone operator salaries, and six other miscellaneous expenses in that. There is a phone bills, electricity, packaging cost in that. As a revenue stream, Airway Delivery is a courier company involved in the business to deliver a parcel with the aid of drone in and around India. There is a marketing cost, IT cost, and HR cost. In marketing cost, Airway Delivery has a long-term plan of expanding road delivery service all over India, which is an IT cost. We hire experts who have good understanding the commercial drone delivery services. The source on income is delivering of initial participants such as food delivery companies, few pharma chain, local delivery medicine, and transporting packages and other services like Flipkart, Amazon, and other electronic gadget delivery. And planning for financial year 2021 and 2022 with experience. We first year we have to short range drone four quantities. The cost of this is around goes to annually is 5 lakhs. For long term goal we have to one quantity is a 4 lakhs for one product. Qualified drone operators, we have to hire four qualified drone operators. Then manage we need to management team, five people of management team, and we need a software for drone operation and navigation for them, and we need software development team for soft hosting the software and support the system, support staff, office rent for delivery the packages to the customer, marketing need for marketing cost need for the promotion the company, and other miscellaneous costs. This goes around 1 crore 64 lakh budget for financial 1 year of financial year 2021 to 2022. The couriers we charge the four types of courier service charges. From 1 gram to the 500 gram, we charge 60 rupees. From 500 gram to 1 kg, we charge around 80 rupees. From 1 kg to 5 kg, we around 100 rupees per parcel charge, and 5 kg to 10 kg we around 110 rupees for service. The budget. We are called four we are describing the 4 quarter budget. The first is April to June. Then in April to June we have the most loss in revenue, and the marketing cost, IT cost, and miscellaneous cost. The net income in is a minus, but next 3 quarter we have to less amount of marketing cost and IT cost, but we have generate revenue. We found 2000 delivery in a year, and our ROI is a 135%. Thank you.